Introducing the Flyby Stamp Set from Avery Elle Stamps. The Flyby Stamp Set comes on a 4x6 sheet and includes 29 stamps. There are coordinating dies that can be purchased separately. The Flyby Stamp Set is perfect for creating adorable little boy birthday cards, as well as sweet I love yous and congrats. The airplane can pull a message banner or leave a skywritten trail behind it. Either way, no stamper should be without this clever set in their collection. Thanks for joining us for a quick look at the Flyby Stamp Set from Avery Elle. Please visit us at www.averyelle.com.